Yes.
Oh.
No, you don't. We just had Mexican for lunch.
The funnel cake sticks.
Oh my gosh, and the funnel cake sticks. We have none to show you because it was so good.
We ate them in less than 5 minutes.
It was delish.
Literally like 2 minutes.
Yeah, we stuffed our faces. It was so good. Gotcha! 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 Dang, she's fast.
Hey.
Say hello.
Hello.
To the camera. Hey, baby. And kiss. Y'all are having a good Saturday. I'm so excited because Kimmy's about to be here. We just pulled up to the house. Kimmy and DJ and the boys are about to be here. So we're about to spend a few hours at the pool with our family and watch the kids play together. I'm so excited. So it'll be a lot of fun. And I haven't seen her in like 6 months now. So a long time. Too long. So they're going to be pulling up any minute. I'm so excited. I hope y'all are having a good day.
She invites everybody. She invites everybody.
Who?
Momo and Angie.
Hello.
We went for.
Hi.
Oh, you're recording.
Yes.
I feel stupid. We went for Mother's Day. All right, babe, what
Yeah.
The indicator was, he said, whose Jeep is that? And I'm like, oh, that's your Jeep. I was like, oh, he's on
what
something.
can I do then?
Yeah.
Are we taking Noah wet, or should we go ahead and change
You
him?
go ahead and change them, but the towels, I think the towels are in the car.
Rest.
So I think you put the bag in the car, you mean?
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, help yourself.
Oh, you got
Help
it.
yourself, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, this is going to YouTube. Record it. This is going to YouTube.
All right. Let's see ya.
Okay, wait. No!
Oh,
One more time. Oh, we gotta go again. Hurry. Okay, this is Seth and Ari about to front flip off.
okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, I am. Subscribe, please.
There you go.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, y'all ready?
This for you. Please subscribe. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Oh, you kicked me. Hey.
Hi. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, you're recording? Okay.
Hey guys. Did y'all have fun at the pool?
Yeah. Like,
We're about to eat Mexican. They're gonna make some slime real quick before we leave.
she said, hold on, I'm SHRT.
Okay.
Were you recording? Whoa. Oh, God. Just pour in all of it. All of it? Yeah. Okay. Unless you want less.
No, more.
Wait, should we use it with shaving cream so it's bigger?
Yeah.
Sometimes less is
Can you go
more.
get it off my table?
Yeah, I'll pause it.
Okay.
I am now.
Okay, guys. Well, she accidentally wasn't recording, so
I am now.
okay, we just poured the whole thing. Then you
Okay.
add shaving cream. Ooh. Enough to make it fluffy.
Fluffy.
Tap it.
It's so weird how it builds up.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. And then here's that. Okay, guys. Okay. First, you add in your shaving cream. Okay. And then you mix it together just to even it out, kind of. Even it out.
I'm right here.
It's okay if it gets on the side of the bowl. Okay, so you mix the glue and the shaving cream. Then you add a little bit of Thai at a
I'm
time.
right here.
Oh my gosh, if I can even.
I'm recording them.
So, after you put shaving cream and glue, you want to add a little bit of Tide. Ah, shoot.
Oh.
Hey guys. Hey. Hey. Aaron. Hey.
Thank you, man.
Is it good?
Thank you.
Hey. So after you add that, you add a little bit of thyme. Don't forget to subscribe. Do a little bit at a time. Here's that. Okay, you add a little bit. Mix it. Yeah, and then you mix it. Whoa, I added way too much. Okay, can you put the bowl right here?
Noah. Oh, hey. Whoa, baby, are you okay?
Okay, put the bowl.
Sorry, this stuff's in your way.
Remember her?
Yes.
He's never seen her eat.
Okay. Okay. And then you just want to mix the thyme.
It just got real.
Okay, guys. So now we're mixing the thyme.
You guys never
Okay.
You mix the thyme and
what?
glue and shaving cream.
I said he's never seen Nerdy.
Oh, really?
In all the years I've known him, I've never brought her out.
What?
Yep.
Hey, tell us when really good. Tell us when you're about to quit the video so I can yell out something, okay?
Okay. So far y'all done glue, shaving cream,
Oh, that's
You're like a
cool.
slow
and Tide.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what do we do? You just gotta mix it more. Just mix it more.
So just those 3 ingredients?
Yeah, and then if it doesn't come together,
Wait,
then you just add more
it's
Tide.
detergent, shaving cream, and glue?
Well, it has
Yep.
to be Tide.
Oh, it has to be
I
Tide.
think. Well, I think it has to.
We got a cheap
Well, I
one from the
haven't-
dollar store and it
I haven't
didn't
tried
work.
the other kind, so I'm just adding Tide. Okay.
There's other recipes you can use, but
You
like,
just add little bits of it at a time until it
yeah, like
starts to form.
she used to use borax, the borax powder. You can use that
Apparently
too.
people get burned or something. I
I
think
can
this
see
would be.
that.
Yeah, this
I mean,
is-
if you
this is
dissolve
safer.
It, I mean, and then you wash your hands before you eat or whatever, then you're good. Yeah, this one
Yeah.
needs more time. Okay. So you add, and then you add a little bit.
And then
of
some
time.
people make them with like, they say contact solution, but I've seen them with eye drops too, like Visine eye drops.
Okay.
But when Ari tried with the contact solution, it didn't work for some reason.
Guys, this is turning off.
Okay, you're
Okay.
gonna end up on
And then-
YouTube picking your nose.
Hey, kill him.
Oh, he looks like he wants to kill me.
It would be bad if
Okay,
he was
and then
picking
once
his
you do
nose
that,
and
you
he's
can
gonna
just
eat it too.
Guys, don't
What,
embarrass it
Ari?
on YouTube. And
Oh.
then you add little bits at a time, and then when it starts to form, you just pick it up. And
Hey,
then
why aren't you
add
making
it.
some?
Come on, stir it.
was
Oh,
gonna
I
say,
think-
thought you
yeah.
all- Kay loves making
I
stuff.
think Seth was helping him stir.
Oh, that was nice.
Even if it continues to stick, just add more. And you guys can try this at home too. And then if it
Oh,
if
cool,
you
it's
add
coming
too
together.
much and it's like not stretchy, just add lotion to it.
That is so cool. That's really good looking slime.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can color it like with food
Yep.
coloring, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
just, like if you add more,
Do you have
like
Kool-Aid? You can color it with Kool-Aid.
Oh yeah, you probably could.
Yeah. You
we
can
have food
Kool-Aid.
coloring too.
Oh.
So am I done?
You are not done, Kate.
Keep stirring.
Okay, yours looks like a marshmallow gone bad. Extra roasty.
I think this is good. Is it, like touch it and see if it sticks. Yeah, I think you should take it out and like just play with it, like knead it. Oh,
Okay.
Ari's like really good at this. She's got
I have a whole table of
I
slime.
saw that.
And then I used
She's
to
been
have
making it
little-
forever, and then it got like before it got popular, she was making it.
Really?
How did you find out about it? Then they started doing the commercials, and like everyone
After I
started.
didn't do it like because of the commercial.
I know, but how did you find out about it?
No,
I don't
It's okay.
remember.
I don't either.
I guess I think I just watched videos and then people on YouTube. did
Oh
it.
yeah, I think that's
I just
right.
wanted to make it and then I looked up videos of how to make it.
Mhm.
Marshmallow Man came to life, y'all. Here, I'm gonna
What's
add
the
Maybe
guy?
just more Tide.
Like, put it in
Ghostbusters,
here.
Slimer.
Like, try to just mix it in there.
Yeah, the more you knead it, like
Yeah. Like
the
this.
more it'll come together.
Yeah, this is getting better.
Okay, Kay's having all the
Okay, I really don't know what knead
Kay's
means.
like, why is it my
Exactly what you're doing.
Guys, this is like a DIY. You don't know what
Mhm.
that is. If you
Watch
guys,
your mouth.
if you guys don't know what that means, it's do it yourself.
That's right.
Seth, like, really wants his own YouTube channel.
Aww. Yeah. He did good on it. He was already like, don't forget to subscribe. I don't even say that.
Yeah, that's a good way to sometimes get people to subscribe. Or they would just feel pushed. But like, if you add too much, you can just add lotion. Because it'll make it stretchier. But if it's way too much, then I can't help you there. That's why you add little bits at a time. Hey, just saying, the YouTube probably can hear y'all chit-chatting in private. Just saying.
We could come pick her up because y'all already drove here. That is really.
Can y'all spend the night?
Like I was saying that would work out.
Can you spend the night?
Oh, cool. She would love to do that.
My parents here and Ariel.
We
is
can't
here.
Yeah.
stay here, Ari. I'm sorry.
Can we go? They were
We got
talking
a
about going to the
dog.
water park.
But-
Ariel.
Well, we talked about doing the water park later.
Yeah, later this summer. Yeah.
We're gonna go.
Okay, guys.
Wait, but Ari, would you want to come back to our house?
Yes.
Ooh.
Can
She just, yeah.
Yes! Yay! Hey guys, okay. Okay,
Now
guys.
I officially will know what 4 kids.
I was gonna say, are y'all
Okay.
sure about this?
Guys,
DJ's home
Can I-
tomorrow.
hey, guys.
How do you feel about that, DJ?
No,
YouTube.
Listen,
Oh, look at Noah.
what's your name?
Whoa. Wait, look at Seth's hand. Hey, YouTubers, check this out.
Or they
You
could
like
stay
that?
here. Either
Let's
way.
go to your house. Am I done?
Yeah, Kimmy wants to go to
Am I
y'all's house.
done? Your house.
He said, am I done?
I want to go to your house. What would you rather do?
Okay.
And then when y'all come, we can just send them back with y'all.
Yeah.
Can we really? No. Wow. Avery said yeah. Your house.
Maybe for like a night, if they were okay with
They
it.
said after we go to your house, maybe when you leave, we can go with them and stay the night here. But then, after we go
Y'all, the boys can come and stay a night.
Oh, God.
after we go to our house, so it's back and forth. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because I work from home.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, y'all, if you're not sick of each other.
Yeah, if y'all are at like fighting time, then it's probably a good idea.
Wait,
Yeah.
This little argument.
Yeah, it's like,
One thing, but if y'all are just like,
yeah.
Okay. It's behavior.
Ari went and stayed with her other cousins for a week,
oh, that's way
and
too long.
yeah, they were
I haven't
starting.
seen them for a year.
They were starting to get on each other's nerves,
But I got it. They got my nerves, but like me and
but they had a good time
we
together.
had like a little not arguments, but we just
But
disagree with
After
each
a
other.
week, I'd be sick of someone too.
Yeah, I would too.
You know?
Okay,
That's-
YouTubers, excuse me, but check this out.
Did we bring them
Oh,
inside?
cool.
Okay, you need Seth, all your tide is in your bowl.
Just make sure y'all don't get it on your clothes, because I don't know if it would come out.
Oh, it will. Just
Glue?
no.
It's got glue in
How
it.
do you get it under my shirt? Oh, you get
Oh,
the
yeah.
water and a napkin, and then you just wipe it, and it get like I got purple on my white shirt, and then it got it all out.
Yeah, I was surprised.
Okay. No, sir.
Guys, it's forming right. he just Noah wants some coffee. This looks like the world's largest gumball. Am I correct?
Okay, so are y'all gonna color it or no?
Yeah. I will get. I want to use green food colors.
Okay.
Like y'all, and then you can add as much shaving cream. Oh, okay, try to take yours out. No, with your hand. Hey, can that's just great.
Alright, how does...
Everyday film thing. Okay, now rub your hands together like really good. So this is like a vlog / DIY.
Yeah.
Do they look okay?
Yeah, guys, you can do it yourself. Kind of like a homemade. This looks like a mess. It's kind of like a homemade fidget spinner, y'all. Oh, speaking of fidget spinner, can somebody, can you reach in my pocket and get something out? Oh my gosh, it's his fidget spinner.
Where is it?
It's in this pocket right here.
You sure?
Yeah,
No,
Batman
good.
fidget spinner.
Oh,
How
this
is
one?
y'all's not working out? Okay, show the camera. This is my Batman fidget spinner. He loves his fidget spinner.
Yeah.
I thought these looked like something you would like. I got these at
Oh,
local
hey,
thrift
Kimmy.
store for like...
For real?
And
Yeah,
Kimmy.
they're
Those are
Hollister's.
kind of like the white ones that I had when I was pregnant. Those ones that you passed down to me. Remember the white ones? They were my favorites. How do you get this to light up, Seth?
Oh, you press. That's the wrong one. Press the other one. Press all of them.
Oh, okay.
That's it, guys. It's a Batman fidget spinner
That's
LED.
cool. Awesome.
Oh, I got it on my shirt.
Does the oh, be careful.
Oh
Uh oh.
Do you need help with yours?
no! Yes, he does.
He's struggling.
I asked Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Babe,
Wait.
how old is our son?
Wait, I can help y'all. Okay, I got it.
I'm gonna pause it.
Okay, bye.
Probably when we get done eating,
Uh-huh.
we'll come and get the stuff for the bunk bed and get her clothes.
Oh, okay.
and head back.
Wait, are y'all
Hey,
still
handsome. Hey. Hey. Tiki, tiki, tiki. Wiki, wiki.
Babe.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our little brother, but did you pause the video?
You can finish it.
Okay, well guys, come here real quick.
Hey.
Mine was a fail. I got it all of my
Yes, I am.
clothes. I had to wash it, but don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, we're eating Mexican, and look at this. And look at this. Are you just the narrator? Yeah, I am. Look at this. What this little kid does. Van Morrison.
His face is so cute.
Subscribe for this little redhead.
Aww.
Oh, bye. He'll do it again. If you subscribe, he'll do it again.
Is he doing his
Like Ari.
Yes.
Look, Ari.
Oh my god.
Bye. Bye. Van Morrison.
Signing out. I guess he forgot about the chicken sauce.
I know, he's taking forever.
I love your dance. I mean, you were like, get it.
We had a great day with family. Thank y'all for watching.